Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
Let's break it down.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why did the chicken cross the road? Why? Chicken. Chicken. Road. Road. It's a question asking for the reason or purpose of the chicken going from one side of the road to the other.
Repeat.
Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the road?
Usage examples.
Why? Why is the sky blue? Why are you late? Why did you choose this color? Why do we dream? Did? What did you do yesterday? Where did she go last weekend? Why did they leave so early? When did he call you? She read the book. We saw the movie. I love the sea. He bought the last tickets. Chicken. The chicken crossed the road. She has 3 chickens. How many chickens do they have? Did you see the chicken in the yard? Cross. Be careful when you cross the street. He crossed the room to speak to her. She crossed the bridge to get to the other side. We had to cross the entire city to get to the airport. Road. She crossed the road to get to the store. They live on the other side of the road. The car was parked on the road.
To get to the other side.
To get to the other side. It means that the chicken wanted to be on the opposite side. For example, it was on the left side of the road and it wanted to be on the right side of the road.
Repeat.
To get to the other side. To get to the other side.
Usage examples.
Get. I want to get to the store before it closes. How can I get to the airport from here? We need to get to the station by 6 p.m. He hopes to get to the meeting on time. To. I went to the store. He walked to the park. She moved to Canada. They drove to the beach. Other. He went to the other side of the city. She chose the other dress. They live on the other side of the river. We took the other road. Side. I live on the other side of the city. The shop is on the left side of the road. He was driving on the wrong side of the road. We need to go to the other side of the mountain.
Vocabulary recap.
Why? Did, do. The. Chicken. Cross. Road. To, before a verb. Get. To. Other. Side.
Read. Listen.
Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side.
What's the funniest joke that you know? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.